check out that glow. Check out that glow. Just kidding, I don't sing ever. And this is water, not wine, because I'm out of wine. Tasteless. So, I wanted to try to do maybe something different today. I don't really know what, but I need to eat my basil. So I come over to my little basil plant and I literally throw it on the floor. I pick off the biggest leaves I can and I eat. 5-second roll. What's my secret to glowing skin, you ask? A combination of basil and what I'm gonna show you. If you've watched every day of this so far, thanks for all the support. If you're tuning in right now for the first time, welcome to Self-Care with Danny, yours truly. It's not Self-Care Sunday, and it doesn't need to be Sunday just to do this. I have been giving myself basically 20 minutes every day to sit down and do a face treatment. I don't even know where my tripod is. I am not set up for this. I literally just hit record. So we're gonna have to find that. But no, I eat a little bit of this and I do a little bit of this. And that is how I look like this. I did a video a couple days ago with makeup on to start to show you how my makeup has applied. And I actually did something different with my makeup today. And I didn't clean any of this up from earlier. That's not like me. Oh, so I put this on with this foundation to get like this like dewy kind of glow. And it broke this morning, so that's cool. So hit subscribe and help me get bigger on YouTube so I can afford more makeup. But I'm like feeling this, like, I don't know. I just feel like I look good, you know? And when you look good and you feel good, nothing can really stop you. Nothing, nobody. I don't even know what's going on with this hair. But let's get to it. Face mask, 5 o'clock. I hate when I do my makeup and I feel like it looks just like good and I don't want to wash my face. And then I go to bed with makeup on and then I get stuff like this. And then I'm over here doing this for like 30 days to try to fix this. So don't go to bed with makeup on. If I teach you nothing, let me teach you that. Skincare, I am not a professional. So if you're watching this, this is just me, an everyday person, sharing my skincare routine. Yeah, so that was my cool like combo of like dewy, glowy makeup. I gotta put that back together because it's probably already dried out. But let's go wash my face and get to this. Hit subscribe before I come back. God, I can't believe I can't have anything nice. And now this is like, this is so disappointing. Like how does stuff like this break on me? And I'm putting this on and I'm gonna take it off. Like it's not old. Oh. Didn't realize this was still recording. This broke though, earlier. I don't wanna. Yeah, I can't open this part. Like usually on a Mac container, you twist it and it like opens. Yeah, it took a crap on me. Well, if you want dewy skin, mix these two things together. Okay. Tripod that's broken. We'll set this up. This is what I use to record these videos, so I'll leave a link to this. Don't worry, you won't get a broken one. I broke it. Let's get my setup here. Yeah, so I tried to shove my phone into this, and like, I don't know, it must be with the case on it. It just snapped in two, so here we are. Positioned, okay. I'm not gonna tell you how many I have left of these, because you would probably not keep watching this if you've made it this far. So I don't always wear makeup when I do, but when I do, I look better than this. So, step one, let's do it. I am going to lay by the pool tomorrow, for sure. I talked about this to my girl Jackie, and I've been staying out of the sun because of this treatment. But I also haven't really used the pool, and it's like summer is almost over. Like, it's gonna be September before we know it. For nothing going on this year, there sure is like time just blowing by. It's like it doesn't even matter anymore. It's like, let's just jump to next year, okay? Mm-hmm. So a better time than now to fix your face. So 2021, you can be your best self. It's my goal. Speaking of goals, I need to do a reevaluation of my life. Oh, it kind of burns a little bit today. So I did use my little defuzzer, little razor the other day, yesterday, on my chin, and that's where I feel a little more sensitive. So I left a link in the description below for those little like razors to shave the little peach fuzz off your face. It does make a difference. I can feel it making a difference. It's like if you almost remove that little hair that we have, it almost like is like a safeguard to like maybe our product's working a little better. I don't know. That's how I feel. I feel like this is working a lot better. So one of my goals, besides committing to this whole box, is, I don't even know. I haven't really sat down in a long time and actually like wrote down my goals. If you are someone who does that, please let me know what works for you. I feel like I'm always like a list writer. I always like to physically write stuff down. I feel like if I use like these apps and websites and stuff like that, it just nothing gets done because I have to see stuff to manifest it. Like I have to see it to believe it. I have to, I'm a very visual learner. If things are not in front of me, I don't use them. And I'm okay with that. Like it just, obviously that's how I'm wired. I know what works for me. So my goal is just to kind of figure out like, what do I want in my life? Because obviously things change very quickly. Everything that was supposed to be my life is no longer my life. Which is really kind of like sad to say. I mean, not gonna lie, not a good feeling, but it is an exciting feeling because I don't really know like what I want to do. I actually really thought about moving to Sweden, but obviously with the tribe, that's just not the time. Not saying maybe someday down the road, it won't be the time. But I kind of just, I've never lived on my own before. I've never completely lived on my own. I've always had roommates, and I should have one right now, but I didn't have the option with everything going on in our divorce and our personal lives to even really get anything like that figured out. I couldn't commit to myself, let alone someone else, in regards to a living arrangement via rent. So, scored on this place, putting my head down to focus on my business. And I know that that's like my strategy, but like I need to figure out like my goals. Like what do I want out of my business? What do I want out of my personal life? Where do I want to go? What do I want to see? Who do I want to meet? Where's going to be my knight in shining armor? Probably on an army base somewhere in Afghanistan. And to the bachelor and bachelorette, I'm still available. I've been trying to get on that show for so many years. Like, can I just get a chance? Got real close. Fun fact about me, I was almost on The Bachelor. But I want to be the Bachelorette. It should be. It'd be so much fun. I'm so real. All right, that's step one. Wipe one. I got a lot of crap off me just now. Again, I kind of quickly washed my face before this, so that could be why I didn't really scrub how... I felt like I was on a time crunch. I know, and Reese and Kona are like, I know, baby, hang on. Sorry. They got their little treat. I know, he's like, feed me real food. Go eat your bone. But otherwise, yeah, goals, dreams. I do believe in visualizing. I do believe in manifestation. I believe what we send to the universe, we get. And karma's a bitch. I believe in all that. I know I got some good tribe up above me. Not too sure about what's going down below. Don't really want to know. All right, step 1, think, done. All right, step 2, coming on strong. Yeah, I definitely felt a little more sensitivity around like this part of my face where I did my little little mini microderm thing. And I didn't put music on these videos, the last few. I'm not sure. Do you like music on YouTube videos? Sometimes I feel like it's hard. And I feel like my vibe is so always like all over the place. I don't really know what music is. I'm not very musical. Like I like all music. Kind of down for whatever. Country is my favorite. But like trying to pick music for these YouTube videos, it's like, well... Like the other video the other day, I just woke up from a nap and all of a sudden by the end of the video, I was like, yeah, what's going on? So you can't, I don't want to be mixing tracks. I'm not a DJ. Danny is not a DJ. Well, let's get up close and personal right now since we're in the middle of this. I'm really happy that this part has faded a lot. But I'm looking for more. I'm trying to get a little closer up to my eyes. Gotta be careful. I know don't want to get too close. All right, hit the neck. Not doing the chest today. I do wear a big sun hat every time I'm out by the pool. However, I don't want to chance this area. That skin is pretty thin, so. I am almost halfway through this treatment, and I am so proud of myself for showing up today for you. Thank you for joining me. Hit subscribe. I appreciate it. I mean, life is meant to be shared. Sure is. It's not very graceful. Reese Peasy, you're sure panting really hard. It's not even that hot in here. And I'm doing my hands just because. All right. Sorry, they were having a playtime on the couch before this video, and I did not fix those pillows, but a link to all those pillows is down below. Okay, bye.